What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of Aussie dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now, what you see on the screen is Aussie dollar 4-hour time frame. Now, in this time frame, we have seen that Aussie dollar has created a double top formation with a lower high. So we might find a trading opportunity in this time frame. Now first let me do a complete multi-time frame analysis, then we will come back to the same time frame to see how we can enter a trade. Now before I do the full analysis, make sure you smash the like button and also don't forget to leave a comment below at the end of this video. So first of all, see the bigger picture. This is the monthly chart on Aussie dollar. Now in this monthly chart we have a clue to pay attention. The first of all is this is the zone where Aussie dollar has reversed its uptrend to the downtrend, creating a head and shoulder. This head and shoulder visible clearly on the weekly time frame. Now, after this head and shoulder, as usual, Aussie dollar broke towards the downside. Tested this neckline of this head and shoulder, this support here as a resistance, and then broke towards downside again. Now with that said, Aussie dollar this current month went to the same level of resistance as you can see, but just created a lower high from this resistance, and we see now the sellers pushing the price down again. So we could say that Aussie dollar could drop from here to the downside, as this is a long term downtrending market. So monthly bearish. Now let's see on the weekly time frame. Now weekly as well, we see that from the same level there has been a double top formation, and with that being said, we can expect a drop towards downside, as this is a long term downtrending market. Resistance, double top on the weekly as well. So let's see on the daily time frame what kind of price action it has created. Now daily we see also there is a double top formation on the daily as well. This is a textbook double top, nice looking. And now this current day of trading, we see that Aussie dollar is breaking towards the downside with this red candle. Now if you see the past, the same thing happened here. We saw that Aussie dollar has created a head and shoulder and broke down from this level of resistance. The price came to the same level of resistance, created a lower high on this daily time frame, and we see a significant rejection to the downside, and we can expect Aussie dollar at least to this come back to this trend line, which can give us definitely a significant level of a significant trading opportunity. So let's draw this daily trend line. Let's assume that the price at least drop back to this trend line. Now let's go back to the 4-hour time frame to see what kind of trading opportunity. Now this could be a huge trade if it goes according to the plan. As you said, see that this is the 4-hour time frame, and we see that Aussie dollar has created a double top in this 4-hour with a lower high on the right side. So if you see that a double top with a lower high, that means that the buyers are not strong enough to create a new higher high. Instead they have consolidated, created a doji, and then broke down. So we see that the previous 2 4-hour candle, you see there is a doji has been formed. After this doji, as usual, we saw strong breakout towards the downside. Now at this point, what I'm doing is I'm trying to find an entry point for going short or selling this market. Then how can we enter a trade? Now let me pinpoint to this lower time frame. We see that there has been another reversal pattern form here. Let me draw this one here. What you see with this doji, basically the price created another reversal pattern in this right side of this double top, and with this consolidation, we saw there has been a support here, there has been a support here, which has been broken with this red candle. Now we see that if I draw this line properly, we see that this current 4-hour candle, the price this support basically tested with this as a resistance, and that means that from here we might see the Aussie dollar is sliding towards down. Then how can we enter a trade? So what I will be doing is basically I will be waiting a couple of minutes to close this candle. If this candle closes as a doji here or somewhere here as a bearish candle like this one, then I will be considering going short for this from this zone, keeping a stop loss according to the rules of our strategy up in the safe place, and I will target at least 1 to 3 or 5 risk to reward ratio with our V members. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button for me, and also don't forget to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.